Oh yeah, good vibes, good vibes. So look at this, everybody. So yeah, man, good vibes. So look at this. So I've packed my things them ready. I've got my traveling bag here ready, everybody. So big up yourself, everyone. 24-hour kitchen, cooking with Ringo Vision with Dea. Yes, everyone. So today we're gonna be traveling. So I've got all my essential things them that I'm gonna be packing on my journey. Can't left out the holy book on my journey, everybody. Power bank, hats, t-shirt, the beads, some jeans. You understand? Good vibes. Socks, toiletries, little snacks on the journey, selfie stick, camping stuff, the traveling bag, everybody. And the most important thing on the journey is a passport, people, yeah? So I'll be seeing you guys on the other side. Oh yeah, good vibes. So I'm gonna start packing up my things them right now, people. Big up yourself, 24-hour kitchen, cooking with Ringo Vision. There. Yes, everybody, it's a good vibe. It's a very good vibe. Guess what? We're traveling today, people, yeah? We're traveling all the way across the border. Yes, we're going to Europe. Yeah, man, a good vibe. So we're gonna be making a few stops. Yeah, man, Amsterdam is one of them, everybody, yeah? We're going to Calais, people, yeah? And we're not gonna tell you where else we're going, everyone, yeah? But you need to stay tuned on the journey. Big up yourself, everybody that's been on the journey. We're in season 7, and I did tell you that we're fully active, we're fully outside. So today, I'm gonna be traveling. So this video, I'm already on my journey, everybody, yeah? Big up yourself, good vibes. And guess what I go on again, people, yeah? I'm gonna be trying to cook in Europe, somewhere in Europe. Set up the kitchen somewhere outside. You don't know what I go on. Yeah, man, I have to cook because we're fully active and we're fully bad with it.
Out there.